cannot get your parajumble questions right, it is okay. I will help you out in this video. This is Jessica from Tarkashastra, and this is Parajumbles in only 10 minutes. Okay, we'll try to solve two questions together, but before that, let us do some basic theory for what you should keep in mind for parajumbles. Okay, the easiest way is to find the intro sentence and the conclusion sentence. Intro sentence will open with something new. Okay, if the word has been used first time and the entire or that word will be used multiple times throughout the passage, you introduce that word in colon. Okay, so if you ever see a parajumble and there is a word given in colon, there's a high chance if that word is given in any other places, that is the first time it has ever been used. Okay, so finding intro and conclusion is very easy. Conclusion किससे चालू होता है? Thus, therefore, hence. Okay, so these will be your concluding sentences. So these are easy to find. Concluding sentence will not be an opener. So wherever you see that statement as an opener, that option can be quickly eliminated. Similarly, you can easily find options that are followers and that are leaders. Okay, मतलब कुछ statements से आप sentence चालू कर ही नहीं सकते. For example, because, for example, as, for example, these pencils. अरे कौन सी pencils? Pronoun आप किस noun के लिए point कर रहे हैं? Okay, so certain things are mere followers of leaders. So if you find that, and again you can easily eliminate options based on that. General statements first and then particular sentence. Okay, the usual flow is intro, then it comes a bit more details about the main subject matter, then comes the problem, then if there is a solution, it comes after the problem, and then there are suggestions or examples. Okay, so what really helps? Again, I will try to cater to such students who are giving exams that have questions in theta way and through MCQs, okay? So if you can make pairs, you can easily eliminate options, okay? How does one make pair? Using basic grammatical rules, okay? Nouns first, followed by pronouns. Obviously, okay, nouns comes first, precedent, फिर antecedent, okay? John Keats was a romantic poet. His poems are known to be sublime, okay? पहले नाम आएगा उसका, फिर आएगा ना his, he, him. Okay, because who does this belong to? How will I know? Okay, so first noun, then pronoun. Next, articles A will be used first and then the. Obviously, you will go from indefinite article to definite article. For example, a satellite will be launched and the satellite will be called EOS-04. Okay, so पहले एक कोई भी सैटेलाइट लॉन्च किया जाएगा और उसी सैटेलाइट को यानी द डेफिनेट आर्टिकल विल बी यूज्ड आफ्टर इट इज बीन मेंशन्ड जनरली. Next, conjunctions assist in making links. Obviously, conjunctions like and, okay, as well as, they make you direct pairs, okay, they are direct relationships. But conjunctions like because, since, okay, they make a pair of cause and effect. So if you have an effect after because, you just have to find a similar cause for that effect. Okay, then very obvious, full form first, then short forms, okay? You can't say USA first and then explain what is the full form of USA. First, a statement will be United States of America, explaining the full form, and then wherever USA is used later will be, you can be used in a short, abbreviated form. Okay, now if there is a narrative passage, if it is a story-based passage, okay, you can follow the chronological order. Okay, it usually goes from oldest events to the latest events. Okay, earlier to later, then से लेके now, before से लेके after. Okay, so the chronology is oldest to latest. Now, this was all the basic theory you need to know for parajumbles. Everything depends on practicing. Everything depends on logical reasoning in parajumbles. Let's solve some questions together. Okay, this is question 1. I can move away, pause the video, try it yourself first, okay? See the cognitive biases you are giving in and then come and solve it with me, okay? All right, let's try the follower leader method. किससे sentence चालू नहीं हो सकता, okay? This cannot be an opener. But this DNA is special. What DNA? Okay, mention that DNA first. All right? It does not store. What does not store? Okay, it's hard. What is hard? Okay, so these are all pronouns cannot be used. Okay, even this at her home in Paris. Arey bhai, kiska home? Whose home in Paris? Okay, so all of these statements cannot be opener except for this. You know you're a nerd when you store DNA in your fridge. That you is not used for specific person, it's just a general mention of a second person. You know you're a nerd when you store DNA in the fridge. So 2 is your opener. Wonderful. Now try making pairs. Okay, read all the statements and see if कोई pair बन पा रहा है कि नहीं. At her home in Paris, यानी कहीं ना कहीं एक लड़की की बात की गई है. ओह, लड़की की तो इसी में ही है. At her home in Paris, Dina holds up a tiny vial to her laptop camera for me to see on our video call. Okay, understood. It does not store the code from a human genome, does not make sense, cannot go with it. It's hard to make out, but she tells me that she would be able to see a mostly clear light film on the bottom of the vial. This is the DNA. Okay, now you know she is used for Dina. She is used for Dina. Now, a lot of you can argue that third can also be an opener, right? Because इसका नाम इधर ही दे दिया है, so third can be an opener, but whenever you stuck, always compare the statements and then go from general to specific. Out of 2 and 3, what do you think is a more general statement? Okay, 2 is a more general statement as compared to statement 3. So 2 will precede 3. Okay, then comes 3. At her home in Paris, Dina holds up a tiny vial to a laptop camera. Okay, it's hard to make out, but she tells me. Dina, after holding that vial, is telling something to her friend. Okay, so puri story chal rahi hai. So it's easy to solve. Okay, it's 2, 3, and then comes 5. Agree or not agree? Okay, it's hard to make out, but she tells me that I should be able to see a mostly clear light film on the bottom of the vial. This is the DNA. Okay, so 2, 3, 5. Now I've left with 4 and 1. Okay, now whenever you left with 2, just focus on them carefully. Check the last statement that you did. अगर उससे कोई connection बैठ रहा है, वरना उन दोनों में कोई connection देखो और देखो इनका पहले statement कौन सा आना चाहिए. Okay, it does not store the code from a human genome, nor does it come from any animal or virus. I mean, what an erratic and esoteric type of DNA. But this DNA is special. This is a pure cause and effect relationship, okay? Assertion and reason, okay? ये रहा आपका assertion. This DNA is special. How is it special? Because it does not store the code from a human, animal, or any other virus. So 1 should come first and then 4. So how did we solve it? We found a more opener and more general statement. Then we tried to make the noun pronoun link. So 2, 3, 5, then 1 and then 4. Okay, that is your answer. We did it without options. You can quickly do this even with options. Okay, try to practice without options. If you get good at it, then obviously you can easily master questions with options. Try one more with me. Try this. Now, here the first statement is given and the last statement is given. बीच के सारे sentences को jumble कर दिया है. So you have a connection. You can easily find a statement that precedes this or a statement that follows this, and then you can solve the entire para-jumble in only a few minutes. Try it. Okay, let's do it together now. It's very easy. Biofuel is any fuel that is derived from biomass, plant material, or animal waste. That is my opener. What is my closer? Mainly because. So this is sort of a reason. इसका assertion निकालना है हमें. Easily मिल जाएगा. ठीक है? तो इन दोनों का directly link नहीं मिलेगा तो easily सिर्फ 2-3 ही बचेंगे जिन्हें unjumble करना पड़ेगा. That's it. See, it is a fuel derived from biomass, plant material, and animal waste. Can you find any sort of connection now? See, biofuel is perceived by its advocates as cost-effective and environmentally benign alternative to petroleum. Okay. Primarily because of rising petroleum prices. You know there is a connection here. There's a clear link of ideas here. Cost-effective and prices are closely related ideas. थोड़ा तो connection हो सकता है इन दोनों sentences में. Let's keep them. Since such feedstock material can be replenished readily, biofuel is considered to be a source of renewable energy. Since such material, what material is it pointing out to? कौन सा material? Right? Which material? This material. So 1 and D is a link. D should directly follow 1. Right? The sentence ends with plant material or animal waste, and D starts with, since such material can be replenished, it is also a form of renewable energy. Mil gaya. 1 and D are a pair and they are now together. Wonderful. Let us see others. Many critics express concerns about the scope of expansion of certain biofuels. Okay. 6. Mainly because of the economic and environmental costs associated with the refining process and the removal of vast areas from food production. Why do you think the critics are not enjoying the new trend of biomass? Q? Because it has to take up a lot of land that is used for food production and has a lot of cost involved. So E is an assertion and 6 is the reason for that assertion. So E and 6 are again a link. So ye bhi ho gaya. Okay, so you know the sequence starts with D and ends with E. So option to abhi यूं ही मिल जाता. If there was any MCQ and it starts with D and ends with E, you got your answer. But still, we're trying to solve it without options. Okay, we are left with 2 only. Okay, only 2 statements. All you have to do is unjumble those 2 statements. Now tell me which one would precede the other. Biofuel is perceived by its advocates as cost-effective and environmentally benign alternative to petroleum. It's an alternative to petroleum and other fuels. Primarily because this is a reason. So this is not an assertion. Reason always precedes. Reason always succeeds an assertion. Okay, assertion precedes the reason. So this will come first, and then क्यों पॉपुलर है या क्यों बेहतर है पेट्रोलियम से? क्यों? क्योंकि पेट्रोलियम के प्राइस बहुत बढ़ रहे हैं एंड इनसे ग्लोबल वार्मिंग भी होता है. सो इट शुड बी D, B, C, E. Can we check? Oh, absolutely, spot on. Okay, these are 2 questions with the relevant theory on parajumbles. If you have any more doubts, kindly use the chat or the comment box to put those away. If you want in-depth lectures, recorded videos, mock papers, section-wise tests, you can always join the Tarkashastra program to study with us. Use our mentorship for your better future. All right, that was it. Thank you so much for watching.